Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing Amazon's Echo Dot and showing you what features are available straight out of the box. The Echo devices, which carry Alexa, were just released in Canada. This is the Dot version without the high quality speaker. It's just a thin puck version. I bought this with my increased interest in home automation. For example, I want to get this hooked up to my lights, my thermostat, my Ring doorbell, and see what other creative things I can do with home security and home automation. So let's pop open this box and see what we have inside. So the Echo Dot is available in both black and white. I've obviously purchased it in white. Here we have a USB power supply. Right here underneath we have a USB cord used for charging only. Setup guide. Some sample questions that you could ask. And here we have some product information and radio frequency details as well as operating specifications. And here we have the Dot. So right here you have the listening action button. You have a mute button, volume up and down. An awesome mic which is supposed to pick up your voice around the room, but we'll test that a little later. The micro USB power in port and an auxiliary output jack for headphones or playing Alexa on your stereo system. There's an LED light which shows various statuses such as when it's listening. The bottom of the device has a rubber feel to it, a rubber substance there, preventing it from slipping about. So the quality is feels really good. It's made out of plastic, but it's definitely a very hard plastic and there's some decent weight to the device. So let's remove the plastic and let's get this plugged in. So at this point I don't have Alexa on my phone. I just want to plug it in and see what happens.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So I guess that means the first thing I need to do is get the Alexa app installed on my phone. Let's do that now.
Here on my iPhone, I'll look up Amazon Alexa app and start the install process. You'll need to log into your Amazon account here. Open the app and you'll see a welcome message. Hit continue to accept Amazon's conditions and terms of use. Hit the Get Started button. Alexa wants to personalize the experience, so it'll grab your full name from your Amazon account here, so just click on your name. You can confirm your name here. I'm going to update mine. Alexa is requesting access to your contacts for calling and messaging. This is an additional step for verification. Enter your phone number and Amazon will send you a code. You need to connect to your Echo by clicking Customize Alexa for your device. Here I have two Echo Dots listed since I bought two of them, so just click on one of them. Then click on Echo Dot, choose your language, and then start the process to connect to your Wi-Fi. Now wait for the orange light ring to start. Here we will make a direct connection from your smartphone to the Echo device. Jump over to your Wi-Fi settings and select the connection called Amazon plus some number.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Click on the Wi-Fi connection that you want Alexa to use. Enter your Wi-Fi password. The device is now connecting to your home network and your smartphone will automatically go back to this network as well. To satisfy my curiosity, I hooked up a power meter. The USB plug is rated for 9 watts, but we only seem to be using between 1.4 and 4.2 watts.
So now that we've got the basic setup of Alexa done, let's go ahead and give it a few tests. Alexa, set my cookie timer for 5 minutes.
Cookie timer. Starting now.
Alexa, how much time is left on my cookie timer?
No timer is set.
Alexa, do I have any timers set?
No timer is set.
Alexa, set another cookie timer for 5 minutes.
Cookie timer. 5 minutes. Starting now.
Alexa, how many timers do I have?
No timer is set.
That seems odd. Alexa, set a wake-up call for 6 a.m.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow to Celtic Canada on Amazon Music.
Alexa, do I have any alarms set?
Your alarm is set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, delete all alarms.
Canceling all of your alarms.
Alexa, do I have any timers set?
You have 2 timers. Cookie, with about 3 minutes and 30 seconds left, and Cookie, with about 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Alexa, what is the weather for tomorrow? I didn't set up my location.
Tomorrow in Westlake, you'll see rainy weather, and can expect a high of 8 and a low of 5.
Alexa, what is the weather for Calgary tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Calgary, Texas, there will be lots of clouds, with a high of 10 and a low of 3.
Alexa, what's the weather for Calgary, Alberta tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Calgary, Canada, there will be snowy weather, with a high of -21 and a low of -27.
Alexa, create list groceries.
That was groceries, right?
Yes.
I've created groceries list. What should I add to it?
Milk, butter, flour, cookies, dough, and glue.
I've added milk, butter, flour, cookies, dough, and glue to your groceries list. Anything else?
Alexa, what's 6 plus 6?
The sum of 6 and 6 is 12.
Alexa, what's 6 divided by 0?
6 divided by 0 is undefined.
Alexa, how do you spell color?
Color is spelled C-O-L-O-U-R.
Alexa, what does the word scrutiny mean?
Scrutiny has a couple of different meanings. As a noun, 1. The act of examining something closely. As for mistakes, 2. A prolonged intense look.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is the capital of China?
China's capital city is Beijing. Your cookie timer is done.
Okay, thank you. Alexa, stop. Alexa, how many timers do I have?
No timer is set.
Alexa, what is this song?
Sorry, I can't tell what is playing.
I tried asking Alexa several times to identify various songs, but every time I got the same response, unable to identify the song.
So for my range test, I'm going to record my voice on my phone so that it's a consistent volume every time, and then move farther and farther away from Alexa until she's unable to hear what I'm saying. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:13 a.m.
Okay, so we just play that back. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:14 a.m.
Okay, and I'll move further away. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:14 a.m.
So that's about 6 feet away. Alexa, what time is it? That's about 7 feet away. Alexa, what time is it? So it's playing at a pretty low volume, so I'm not surprised that it couldn't pick it up from such a short distance away. But it does give you an idea that the sound pickup isn't perfect on it, but it's pretty good. At first glance, physically it's great, it feels like a quality product. The speaker is also good and produces a good quality sound. However, I'm only mildly impressed with Alexa's abilities, but still pretty hopeful. It took a while for my timer to register, and turning it off wasn't straightforward. Setting an alarm was easy, and my grocery list was somewhat confusing as I considered everything to be one item. The math worked out okay, as well as Canadian spellings, since this is the Canadian version. Definitions and geography were also okay. Music identification didn't work out at all, and when I asked for the weather, it just assumed I was in the US. I would have figured it would assume I was in Toronto, given that it's the Canadian version, and I didn't have my location set up yet. And why is it when I asked for Calgary weather, it picked a US city, 5500, rather than the major Canadian center? So thanks for watching this unboxing and quick review of the abilities of Alexa straight out of the box. I'll be setting up various features in some upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And as always, there are more details available on my blog at newfieboard.com.